Hello ladies, today I want to try something new and of course I will come here and get your input. I am wearing Key West is Best from the new spring line. It's a pretty pinkish color, solid, but I don't like just having plain solid colors on my nails. I feel like it doesn't call attention as much as it should. And so I haven't put a top coat yet. I usually like to have a top coat over my solid colors. And I bought these super fun, look at this, look how many, there's even more. Nail, what are these called? Like nail tape and super fun colors for like $6. I got all of this. And it's my first time trying, so I wanted to add some nail design, see how pretty it is, to my nails. And why not come here and join you girls, guys, whoever's watching, right? So I'm gonna do this one, which is like a sparkly silver with this blue color. I'm thinking about adding these two and doing some kind of design to my nails. So we're gonna start with just one, just to make sure this works. When you finally find the end to the tape, I'm sure it's pretty easy, right? So what I wanna do is, I should have watched a video on how to do this, right? Before actually doing it. But I want to do two strips going this way and then two going this way, but I am going to do the two different colors. So for this one, I'm just gonna go right for it, and I'm gonna cut a piece that I know would fit me and just add to my nail. Let's see. You guys see me? Right there. Make sure that it's straight. I always pick it up and put it back down again. There's my first one. Yay! I'll come back and like really trim these later, but here's my first one. And then I'm gonna get another piece to go across my nail. So let's kind of measure it, let's cut it. And put it across. And because I'm gonna have two strips, I wanna make sure that I leave space for the other one. See? Let's trim this baby. And then I'll put a top coat over it. I just want to make sure that I get the little corners so it looks nice. So there's the first one. I actually like just one, but I said I was going to do two, right? So let's see how that would look. I'm afraid it'll be too much if I put two. I'm gonna cut about the same size that I cut last one. And I want to put right next to it, like these. Trim this baby. It's pretty cute. I'm still gonna do the other side because I said that's what I was gonna do. Then I'm going across. Oh. Got the edges. There is my first try. What do you think? Let me know what you think, or if you guys have other designs. This is one that I got it at Google, and I thought, oh, that's cute. So I'm going to try this time, and then I'll try a different one another time. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up, subscribe.